The new Beige, Rainforest, and Slate Blue braided solo loops for Apple Watch. They're $99 and available for all Apple Watch generations and sizes. Today I'm showing you how they look on 3 stainless steel watches and silver aluminum in as many angles as possible, so you see if they work for you or not. Keep in mind Series 8 has the same design as Series 7 from last year. Give this a like if it helps, and subscribe for more. Let's open them. Slate Blue. I was wondering when they would make a slate blue watch band to match the watch face color option. We've been having it for a while. It's a toned down blue, so it should match a wide variety of outfits, kind of like blue jeans do. Rainforest. The greenest watch band this season. Darker than Inverness green and a hint of blue. But with that makes the biggest difference. Less army vibes, more elegant. I wonder why Apple didn't decide to make an iPhone case out of this. My favorite combo is with gold stainless steel. I love how it complements it. Here it is with a dark Apple Watch color. And silver aluminum. Next is beige. A bit more brown than last season's Starlight braided solo loop, and darker than cream. It still gives that light warm color without questioning if it's white or not. It should still match many things in general. Here it is with gold. Space black to represent the dark Apple Watches, and silver aluminum. Braided solo loops are growing on me. Very usable colors this time around. What do you think about this season's colors? Comment below. I hope this helped. If so, give it a like and subscribe for more. Thanks for your support, and thanks for watching.